Responsibility is not just a word. It is the asset that build our future and yours. Ajwa Grammar School. We take responsibility to educate, to build, to deliver the best, to open your child a gold door to success. In Arifwala Road surrounding, very first standardized educational revolution is now in Sahiwal. We are dedicated to quality education in a loving and respectful learning environment, conceptual learning, well-equipped and air-conditioned classrooms, character building, Nazra classes, free spoken English classes, activity-based learning, art and painting classes, SMS alert.
Admission open for playgroup to matric.
Come, experience it for yourself and feel the difference. We are Ajwa Grammar School, Ajwa City Housing Society, 1 kilometer, Arifwala Road, Bypass, Sahiwal. Phone 0322 7053 445.